Hello, and welcome to this Legal Futures webinar on the Legal Sector Affinity Group guidance note on anti-money laundering. My name is Trevor Hellawell. I'm a solicitor, though in fact I've spent the bulk of my career on the training and consultancy circuit, talking to a wide range of audiences about a wide range of subjects, but money laundering particularly since 2003, when the regime first leapt up and bit the legal profession rather hard. The Legal Sector Affinity Group guidance note has been the guiding document, as its name suggests, for many a long year, and of course many of us will have read it from cover to cover already. But the Legal Sector Affinity Group republished the guidance note on the 13th of January 2021, and it's the purpose of this webinar really just to discuss what that new guidance note, the new version of the guidance note, does and says, and what implications it has for those of us working in the regulated sector on those transactions that may well be affected by money laundering law. Broadly, the Legal Sector Affinity Group guidance note has been revised, it's been reordered, it's been revamped, it's been rewritten, and it's 212 pages of scholarly treatment of all of the various subjects. There are expanded sections on risk assessments and on the customer due diligence part of the equation. There are new chapters on technology, expanded bits on suspicious activity reporting, the duties in relation to trusts, and right at the start in the early chapters, chapter 3 in fact, there are a list of high-level compliance principles with which we should be aiming to comply. Having said that, the broad message behind the Legal Sector Affinity Group guidance is pretty much the same as it always has been. If you knew what it said before, you'll find familiar stuff here again. But there are some key alterations, which is obviously what I'm going to be talking about in the course of this webinar.